because in the world of social, content is the hardest job we have in all of what we do in social media, is creating compelling content. So I want to give you guys a couple of strategies. Again, I don't want to jump in the weeds. I know you guys aren't posting Facebook every day. I know you're not posting Instagram images, but I want you to think about some of these as best practices to take back to your team and let them implement some of the stuff that we talk about. So one of the things that we do, and one of the big best practices that we do in our agency, is we create content calendars for the clients that we work with. And this gives not only us something to kind of sink our teeth on, but it also gives our clients. Let me give you an example of that. Every Monday is Community Monday. I created this for you guys. So every Monday is Community Monday. Every Tuesday is Testimonial Tuesday. Every Wednesday is Why You Wednesday. Thank You Thursday, and Fridays are for closers. And again, this is just a random example. But if you did this, this tells the company that you're working with or your employees and you guys that every Monday you're going to talk about something in the world of your community. Because you guys are all local businesses. And part of what you can add value to me and to other real estate investors or tenants or whatever the case may be, is to be a community resource for me. What events are going on in your area? What are the best restaurants to go to? Sarasota is my hometown. What are we're ranked the best beach in the world, and show some love for Siesta Key Beach or whatever you want to show some love for in your local town. But that's community. Testimonial Tuesday just means that you have to, on Tuesday, share a testimonial from one of your happy clients, which is going to force you, by the way, to get more of them, which is great. Why You Wednesday is a did you know why it's important to work with a property manager instead of doing it yourself. So every Wednesday, you share a best practice or a case study of why you should never go it alone. And this could be, and by the way, this could be a written post, this could be an image, or it could be a video. Thank You Thursdays, you might thank a partner of yours, you might thank a client or a customer of yours, but it's all about showing love to somebody else other than you guys. And then Fridays are for closers. Let me show you guys a couple examples of this. Community Monday. So I went to some of your Facebook pages, and this says, although snow is in the news in Seattle, it's not too early to think about and plan a state park visit. 10 state parks near Seattle with cabin rentals. Great resource. Love it. Only 7 likes. I'm going to talk to you guys about that in just a second, about engagement. But that was more likes than the other 6 or 7 posts of that week got. So when you're talking about things that we're interested in, you're going to get more engagement. Testimonial Tuesday, we do this for a lot of our clients. We create nice images. I'm from Atlanta, the South, so it's y'all. Y'all treated my clients like family, wonderful experience from a valued client, so it's Testimonial Tuesday. Thank You Thursday is, we did a big thank you to First American Title for their 20th anniversary wishes in the week of Atlanta's business. So we just gave love. We tagged them, which shows some love to other businesses, which, by the way, brings more traffic to us, so there's a little bit of strategy in that. So that's Thank You Thursday. And then when I mentioned close on Friday is to remind people that now's the time. So in this particular case, these were a bunch of hotels, and they said spring break is just around the corner. Have you booked your hotel yet? So how would you do that? How would you make a kind of a strong call to action to people who may be waiting to get a property manager? Are you tired of checking the toilets? Are you tired of dealing with tenants? Something that may just spur some motivation for people to take the next step. That's what Fridays are about. Fridays are for closers.